our underbar sink with right drain board and cups and bottles holder. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Measurements for the compartment to store your cups, mugs, and bottles. We have 24 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and 6 inches tall with bracket. Measurements for the interior sink. We have 10 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Measurements for the right drain board will include 10 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Strainer will be included for the drain along with the faucet. Measurements for the swivel head spout will include 8 inches in length. Measurements for the left and right mount will include 4 inches. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.